Hello everybody, welcome to PowerPoint University. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this photography logo by PowerPoint easily. You need PowerPoint 2016 or higher. Okay, let's do it. First of all, open PowerPoint. Go to Blank Presentation. Click on Layout and select Blank. Now insert a rectangle. Make a copy of that. Clicking right, click on Size and Position. Then type 60 in the rotation box in order to rotate it to 60 degrees. Place the shape over the first one and expand like this so that it covers the shape completely except the right triangle. After that, select all. Go to Drawing Tools Format, click on Merge Shapes and select Subtract. Make a copy of the shape. Click on Rotation. Click on Rotate Vertical. Again, rotate horizontal. Now place it here. Okay, then select all. Click right button of mouse, go to Group and select Group. Make a copy of that. Clicking right, go to Size and Position. Rotate it to 120 degrees. Again copy it. Rotate to 240 degrees. Now select all, go to Drawing Tools Format. Click on Align and select Align Center. Again, Align Middle. After that, insert a circle. Its height must be shorter than the group of previous shapes. Go to Size and Position. Here, its height is 5.59 inches. I'm typing it as 5.6. The measure of height and width must be same. Okay, alright. Now select all the shapes except the circle. Make a group of them. Now select the two objects, click on Align, select Align Center, again, Align Middle. Then clicking right, go to Group and click on Ungroup. Again select all and do so. Alright, now select all again and go to Merge Shapes. Then click on Fragment. Remove all the outward shapes of the circle. Now insert a circle. Its height must be shorter than the big circle. Go to Size and Position. Its height is 4.36 inches. I'm changing it to 4.35. Make the width equal to the height. Now remove the big circle. Again select all except the circle. Make a group of them. Then select all, go to Drawing Tools Format, click on Align, select Align Center, again, Align Middle. After that, color the small circle according to the background. Select all objects, go to Outline option and click on No Outline. Then make a copy of the small circle. I'm changing its color so that it can be seen. Decrease its height and width. Make height and width equal. It's strongly recommended that height and width must be same for all circles. Align it both center and middle. Now fill it with this color. Make a copy of this again and decrease height and width. Make height and width same. Again, do so like previous. You have to do it once again. This circle will be the smallest of these. Okay, now insert a small circle. Its height and width will be the same too. Color it white. Make copy of that and decrease height width, making them equal. All done. Now fill the outward shape with your desired color. Eureka! We have finished. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.